Hi, I'm Daniel from Pandemonium Choppers. We're here in the source garage today. We're putting together some battery cables. I like to use car stereo wire. It has very fine strands. It will flow much more current than a large strand wire. Electricity doesn't flow through it, it actually flows on the outside of it, and with more wire strands you're going to get more current flow. And you can get this from any of your local car stereo audio shops. A lot of times for doing battery cables you can actually just pick up some scraps, some stuff that they would normally throw away because your battery cables are never really too long. As far as the ends that we're going to be soldering on, it's a standard end that you can get at a hardware store, any of your local automotive parts houses. We'll put this together here. We've got a little torch, got some resin core solder. We're actually going to use some additional rosin. Just makes the solder flow better. You want to heat this up, and you want to keep heat on it constantly. Because if you take the heat off of it, the solder will basically go back to its original state, and then you're kind of screwed up. What I normally do is I try to fill it up about halfway. I know you can't see that. Fill it up about halfway with solder. And you dunk it in there. Just be careful though, because the solder will splatter and it can burn you. Just hold that there for a minute, let it cool down. Just kind of tug on it a little bit. As you can see, it's very strong. It's a good solid solder connection. You want to look too for your little wire hangers hanging off here too. You want to trim those off. And then what we'll do is we'll actually heat shrink this area.